idea, expertise, or something like that, and had a conversation with a gentleman by the name of Kelly, and he has a program that he's going to share his idea and his energy for this program that he's going to tell you about. So I want to welcome Kelly up to the stage and his microphone, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir. Good to meet you. So explain to everyone your idea, your concept, and your program that you wish to begin or start, or where your energy is with that. So Kelly, listen to Kelly. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Once again, name is Kelly Simmons III with Mentoring Pages. Very excited about being here, celebrating art in Lexington. I want to thank Alexandra for inviting me. But I'm here representing Mentoring Pages, and Mentoring Pages is a new creative way to display mentoring here, of course, in the great city of Columbia, and of course abroad. But the idea is to highlight programs such as this in terms of mentoring, helping youth. Of course, when we talk about mentoring, that's a very, very broad, topic. And we're really starting our initiative working with youth here in the area. I have over about 15 years working in youth, actually working with youth. I'm actually in education right now in Richland School District 1. And we do a lot of training, of course, with youth, with before and after school. I do a lot of mentoring as far as career readiness. I'm a global career development facilitator, and so with Mentoring Pages, being able to bring all of those experiences together and of course share them with others, but also to get others' perspectives from businesses, community leaders, faith-based organizations, businesses, teachers, their perspective on mentoring. So really with mentoring, with Mentoring Pages, we're connecting our stakeholders to the world of mentoring and what's going on in mentoring. So this gives us an opportunity, nights like this, to be able to reach out and, of course, share our message, but most importantly, share the message of others, how they're making an impact in the lives of our youth and adults across the world. So I really appreciate the opportunity to come and just share. We're looking at hosting our first Mentoring Expo in May 10th and 11th, and that will be the launch of our first publication. And so we will have Mentoring Pages, of course, online, Facebook. Be able to follow us on YouTube, but also mentoringpages.com. So there's more to come, and we're excited about it. I just want to thank you again for this opportunity. Have a great evening.
You said .com, Mentoring Pages?
Mentoringpages.com.
Is that active right now? Can people get information about?
We're going to launch mentoringpages.com in January 2013. Okay. We're here tonight, of course, getting stories, getting interviews from some of the artists that are here, but we're going to be launching that in January 2013. So that's, look for more information.
Okay, so look for more information. You have flyers out and like that?
Yes, sir.
Are you on Facebook under your name right now, man?
Yes, we're actually on Facebook, Mentoring Pages. So you can find us there. We're going to be sharing some stories, highlighting some video that we're taking on tonight to kind of build the momentum for our launch date in January.
That's wonderful. That's great. So remember that, mentoringpages.com, and the different activity that he's going to be having. 2013 is going to be an amazing year. We've got new energy, new things that are going to be happening in this upcoming year. So look for more different ideas and articles that will be first maybe on Facebook first, but then again on his website. Kelly, it's been great meeting you. I appreciate you coming up here because as Christine knows, I put people on the spot. So it's like, so thanks for being here and sharing your information.
Yes, sir.
All right.